How to buy Shiba Inu in the UK. A question we'll answer in this video is in the most efficient way possible. We will tell you where and how to buy the coveted crypto coin. Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token, which means it runs on the Ethereum blockchain. There are lots of coins in circulation, about $4 quadrillion worth, and anybody may get a piece of them by trading legally available platforms. In fact, numerous major platforms, wallets and brokerage systems now support this cryptocurrency. Where to buy Shiba Inu? There are many locations to get a Shiba Inu. The major platforms, as previously stated, are wallets, exchanges, and our selection, brokerage sites. Here is one platform for you if you want to trade on a brokerage site: eToro. eToro is a popular social trading site that allows people to invest in each other's products. Similar to how LinkedIn connects employers and job seekers, you've undoubtedly heard about eToro recently. These guys are making a genuine effort to allow even the most inexperienced investors to participate in a variety of offerings. Naturally, Shiba Inu is one of these goods, which is promoted under the guise of cryptocurrencies. The benefits of eToro are that you can sign up in minutes and that the platform has no fees or restrictions on how often you may trade, and you can copy other successful traders. With eToro, you can invest in not just Shiba Inu. This implies that once registered, you'll be exposed to a wide range of cryptocurrencies. What is the difference between buying and trading Shiba Inu? Many people will claim to be Shiba Inu investors, but it's rather a generic one. After all, there are numerous kinds of investing with Shiba Inu, and this is true for most financial instruments. When it comes to Shiba Inu, you may be a buyer or a trader. These are frequently confused, which is why we'd like to set the record straight right now. Buying, making a set purchase for a predetermined price. The goal of holding an investment is usually to preserve it. There is little or no analysis of charts or technical indicators. As you can see, purchasing Shiba Inu is no different from making a typical transaction, such as purchasing stocks. You select the number of coins you wish to purchase, look at the price, and hit the buy button. People who intend on buying Shiba Inu usually aren't too concerned about when the market rises or falls. Trading. Trading volume, volatility, chart formations, and other factors will be evaluated. Stop losses will most likely be triggered as a result of future actions. Trading is a pastime for seasoned cryptocurrency investors, and it's not for the faint of heart. The Shiba Inu coin is extremely volatile, and while substantial profits may be earned, equally large losses are possible. Of course, the goal of trading is to avoid both. Using methods and processes, you should be able to consistently generate gains. How to buy Shiba Inu online. It should now be clear that buying online is both feasible and quite simple for the majority of individuals. With that in mind, it's still necessary to join a platform to get exposure to cryptocurrency. Here's what you need to do. 1. Choose a platform that is appropriate for your needs. 2. Create a new account and proceed to sign up for one. 3. Log in and fund your account using a valid bank account. 4. Look for the Shiba Inu coin and input how much you want to buy. 5. After that, press the buy button to finalize your purchase. This entire process can be completed within 5 minutes, and once you're set up with a funded account, your first Shiba Inu purchase is just a click away from making or losing money, so be careful. Shiba Inu versus Dogecoin, which is the best cryptocurrency? If you're interested in whether Dogecoin may be another investment decision for you, click the link on screen now to view the answer.